Welcome to the Quick Start tutorial for the Quantile Teacher Assistant. With Teacher Assistant, you can differentiate student instruction based on an individual's or classroom's quantile measure. This tool organizes each state's standards into knowledge clusters and aligns them to the quantile framework. You can find the tool in your Lexile and Quantile Hub All Tools page, or navigate there directly using hub.lexile.com/quantile-teacher-assistant. Using the tool is simple. Begin by selecting a standard. Just click the drop-down list under the headings State or Common Core, Grade or Course, and Goal to make your selections. Then click the Search button to see your results. Your standard's prerequisite, focus, supporting, and impending QSCs are visible below the quantile measure slider. The background color of each QSC indicates whether that QSC is below the quantile range with blue, within the quantile range with green, or above the quantile range with yellow. You can move the endpoints of the slider to reflect your class or small group's readiness for instruction range. Moving the slider will cause the QSC's background color to change, indicating whether or not a skill or concept is within the group's readiness for instruction range. To view QSC details, just click inside a QSC description. A new QSC detail page will open. The focus QSC description and ID number will appear at the top of the page, followed by 3 detail sections. Expand Knowledge Cluster to reveal prerequisite, supporting, and impending QSCs. Expand Resources to view supporting quantile resources. Additionally, you can select a new state from State Standards drop-down menu to search for a particular state's associated standards. And finally, Basic Plus and Premium members can save quantile resources they love. Just click the Add symbol to save a resource for easy access in the future in your Quantile Resource Center. Now you're ready to put your differentiated lessons to work. That concludes this Quick Start tutorial. We'd love to know what you think about the Quantile Teacher Assistant. Visit support.lexile.com to find more answers or to get in touch with the Lexile and Quantile team. Thanks for watching!